Mingaw na kayo, pwede na mo labang. Dali na ka maka BRT. Or later, we will just check out sa may mga pwede rin buhaton sa El Curso guys. But yes, it's closer now and malaki na, mas accessible na yung El Curso with the BRT. It's sunset na. Kadung na sunset. Na sunset na kadung. And it's time for us to cross, to walk here. So, di na ko mahadlok mula bang going to the other side. Di ba? Babaw. This is perfect. Perfect para mulabang ko dito sa Picas. Dito sa playgrounds. And soon, by the way, nananit, 24 hours na niya. Dahil na elevator access na para, especially sa mga seniors ba, or wheelchair access. Diba, lisod kay saka kung naka-wheelchair for now, ha? Yeah, but yes, this is a really nice development, especially kanang hilig yung mga labang sa New Star ba. Padung New Star sa, na hopefully they'll just cross here, pero dapat I believe that New Star should build one for themselves as well. Kay kalayo usad noon magbaklay pa diri, baklay balik, di ba? So over here this side mo na ni ang view. So kani another spot ang CDM, City de Mare. Di ba? Good jogging spot gihapon. So tanawan na yung view diri ba? It's, you can see SM, even CCLX, McDonald's, CCLX na sluyuan na. But yeah, I'll zoom in pag yun na. Puho, makita na nimong fun park dari oh. Diba? Kita kayo nimong mga nang sa City Lights, Marco Polo. Diba? Kana, pero yeah, fun park niya pohon. And this place, yeah, mao ni ko ano ni. Diba? Mga playgrounds. Mag-volleyball pa ni dire. So there's a good jogging spot over on the other side. Also, ito mga cyclists adto sa na sila. So mali na uganan for now. Na may mga bata nag-training. Diba? Yan mo nang City de Mare. Diba? I mean, Amalfi. So mana, diba dito, if you're gonna cross there, lisod kaayo eh. Anong traffic volume ba? Yung sa Patintero gyud, wa may pedestrian lane, ya walay traffic lights. Di ba? Dili maayo. So with this tanawa, dali na kaayo. Pag gini mahuman, but next month, mao na ni mahuman na ni. And okay na kaayo. Mani mga bata. So mani mga basurahan. Ay sige din diri na park. Dagag basurahan na diri na dito. Diba kita mo ato? Kana ba na? Dagag basurahan. Clean park, may pag-maintain. Yung kung pwede mo agi ron des kuan. So I have to walk back. But yes, may playgrounds for children. Daghan mag-picnic diri. So ako gini mahuman, pero next month mahuman na ning elevator nila. Kaya dayon safe man sa dire kay nay guard, di ba? Lakaw-lakaw mo. So pwede pa next month lagi pwede na mga senior, mga kuan kay nanay elevator. Naman lagi there's a bike lane over here. Hopefully di magbaha na diri dapita. Usay man bahaon man diri napita, but I think they're making a way tingali na mawa na. Or we'll check it out some other time during rainy season. Pero mao lagi. Good development gina. Thank you so much Phil Invest. El Curso is now connected to City de Mare. Di ba? And of course katong ganahan ngitag kondo na ay mga condominiums available, ready to move in to the City de Mare, and also in San Remo. Money. Oh, imagine bulabang ka diha kung buyagon jud ka bali. Kaya sa una, there's always gonna challenge, and there were people even na naligsan diri dito the Pitas McDonald's na side. So well anyway, mana. That's our walking tour, guys. Oh. Yan, traffic light diha di man um it's not gonna be allowed to cross na. You just have to U-turn if you're using a car. So because of this development, I don't have to ride a car or do challenging crossing, street crossing. There's El Corso. So that's a best development. Pwede ka musakay sa Sibas dito sa Picas, o di ba? If I wanna go to the IT park, na Sibas. Libre sakay na, by the way, 5 to 8 p.m. and 6 to 9 a.m. Perfect. Perfect na kaayo. Maglakaw lang kagamay. But yeah, great deal. Di ba? May bus stops good thing. Hindi ko kasiguro. Di ba? I'm not so sure if you're allowed to come down here. So you're gonna be alighting dito gyud sa terminal. But yes. So this is really a walkable spot in the city. You wanna jog, if you wanna jog, wanna bike. Yeah, I guess dire along the South Road properties or Cebu South Coastal Road naagi way. If you want to have an active lifestyle, mana. So it's good that City Limare, El Curso is investing this, diba? On this, diba? And enjoy pa ka sunset ron. Mana. Oh, gwapa kaayo. It's a golden hour, golden walks. Yeah, mana. If you wanna come here, if you're from the city, ride the C-Bus, libre ra, especially 5 to 8, diba? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Oh, mana. We'll have more walking tours. It's a nice way, especially taas ng gasolina. I guess we have to walk more often and even run, diba? Run Cebu. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope to see you in the next natong walking lag o gubanta. It's a fruitful day. I even missed an event. There's a New Star nakalimot. It's not nakalimot ko. I thought it was cancelled, but yeah, good thing. Okay ra, next time may event sa New Star, I'm gonna walk the New Star. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.